a new young record called Comes a Time. I was about 15 years old. Weird, huh? Harmony vocal performance of all time. Neil's great, but Nicolette Larson. We gotta go out, shoot out, weather's good there, everyone's fall. I got some friends here I could know. I look for you if I'm ever back this way. If I get there before the sun flies and things are looking good, you meet me